The holidays are here, and I know Christmas parties are coming, New Year's Eve parties are coming, so let's do a quick, easy, simple makeup look. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Samantha, and I am just a mom who likes to play with makeup. If you are not new here, then thank you for coming back and watching another video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of my future upcoming videos. And without further ado, let's get into this. So we're going to start with the eyes, and I'm going to first start with the E.L.F. Putty Eye Primer. And I'm just going to prime my eyes. And again, this is going to be so simple. Alright. Eyes are primed. We're going to put down the E.L.F. Line and Define papers. Where did my scissors go? There they are. So again, just going to cut those in half so you can get double the amount. And I'm just going to do one eye on camera. So let's do this one. Okay. That's simple. I'm only going to use one eyeshadow today, and it's going to be this one right here, just a light brown. And I'm just going to fluff that into the crease. And the outer corner. Using the other end, I take it back. I'm going to use another eyeshadow. This is Drip. It's just a shimmer, like white or cream. And I'm going to put that under the brow bone. Nothing else is picked up on my brush. And I'm just going to do small circles and just make sure that that's blended. Once that is blended, we're going to pick up some eyeliner. And again, this is the Haus Labs. And I'm just going to do a small wing and line my upper lash line. Put on some mascara, and it's that simple. So let me go do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, eyes are done for the most part. So I did just go ahead and prime my face. I forgot to get that on camera with the Marshmallow primer. And I'm going to do my usual makeup, which is Seint. So I'm just going to use my one brush, and I'll fast forward through this. Alright, I'm just going to set a couple of my oily areas and spots that I like to touch a lot, or, you know, have my mask on. Perfect. Let's put on the brows. So as usual, I'll do that off camera as well, but I'm going to use my normal shadow, which is Trust, and the E.L.F. Wow Brow. So I'm going to knock that out and I'll be right back. Okay, brows are on, and now I cannot decide which red lip I want to do. So let's get a couple swatches, and the main part of this look is really the lips. So this is Physicians Formula. It's so beautiful. And this is going to be a velvet finish, so it's not going to really dry down. These two will. It's the Matte Ink by Maybelline, and one is, oh, you know what? This makes it even easier. They are both Pioneer. One just has a Marvel logo. So I'll put that down. So here is Pioneer. This one right here. I think I'm actually going to go with, one second. I want to kind of see what they look like mixed. So that's a mixture. And I kind of like that. All right, so I'm going to use Very Cherry Lip Liner, which is right here, and it's by Color Sensational Maybelline. It's their lip liner. So let's line the lips first. And I like to fill it in just a little bit so that the color is really there. This is such a pretty red lip liner. All right, let's start with Pioneer, and then we will layer on top the Physicians Formula. Such a pretty red. I love this. Let's use, all right, let's go on top with the Neutrogena, Physicians Formula Healthy Lip. Oh yeah. Oh. Yes, and this is why we went with a very neutral eye and cheek, but I think I'm gonna add a little bit of a red cheek, so let me grab that. All right, I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of Scarlet, just a little bit. Oh yeah, that was the move. I like that so much more. All right, so that, let's just set it. I'm gonna use the E.L.F. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. Oh, it smells so, so good every time I use it. Like I said, this is a very simple look, but very Christmassy and holiday makeup because of the red lip. With this look, I wouldn't do the bottom mascara, but if you wanted to, you could. All right, I know I normally don't use a powder highlighter. However, for the holiday, let's use Glamazing. It's a powder illuminator, and she is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. She is blinding. That on my lips. It's okay. But, I mean, this is a blinding highlight. Like, wow. So if you want to glow, like, that's a glow. Personally, I would have gone a little bit lighter on this side, but it happens. So that is the completed look. So we have the glow from our beautiful highlight, and we have the red Christmassy look. So here is your quick, easy glam for the holidays. All the items I used today will be listed down in the description bar so you can follow along. It's so easy. I mean, literally anyone can do this look. You don't have to have just Seint or whatever I had on hand. You could easily recreate this with whatever you have on hand, which is the best part of this makeup. The only thing you may have to go out and buy is the red lip. So it's that easy. Thank you for joining and watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, if you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I hope you have a lovely week wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Bye.